everyone. Today I'm using gencrafts metallic for a plastic wrap pour. So I've never used, it's these, let's see, move these out of the way. It's this, hopefully that's in screen, gencrafts metallic acrylic pouring set. I've never used pouring acrylics, pre-mixed ones for a plastic wrap pour, so I'm hoping that it works. I don't know if it will. Because I am using my white as the base, not the pre-mixed white, because there isn't one. There's not enough. I already used it. But I am going to make the silicone, the one with the silicone that I drip at the end. So we're going to use violet pearl. Whoops. Alright, and I'm going to set that aside. Get some paper towels down, because I know I'm going to need those. Alright, so I've got my white paint. This is a 6 by 12 inch wood panel from Blick. It's the Blick Studio wood panel with cradled 1.5 inches and primed twice with my Dutch Boy paint, which is a paint primer in one. I'm just getting the paint all over. Touch up the sides. Too much white on here. See if I can tilt any more off. Alrighty. Torch all these air bubbles out. Drop some paint down. Way easier than the pipettes, I'll tell you that much. Whoops, a little bit too much there. Whoa, way too much there. I'm actually going to suck some of that up. Now for yellow pearl. I hope everyone's having a good day. It is Thursday, so yay, almost the weekend. But I still have to get through today and tomorrow, and then I do work on Saturday. So I guess my weekend is Sunday. But still, the weather's going to be nicer this weekend. And I'll go back to the dog bar, which is the coolest place on earth. Sit and have a drink. My dog plays, and then she comes home so tired and sleeps all day. It's amazing. Alright. Now I've got the purple with the silicone. Okay. Kind of squishing it down towards the bottom. I was trying to decide if I wanted to use the straw or not, but I like the pattern that's there. So I would say I like using my paints better for this. But this is really pretty. It reminds me of an Easter egg for some reason. So let me come around and get you. Taking my gloves off. Oh man, part of it was out of range. I apologize for that. So it looks a little bit different than usual, but still pretty. And we'll see how it dries using those gencrafts. It should dry a little shinier. That's generally what happens. And then since this is a wood panel, I will be resining it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.